Alright, so many of you guys have been flooding me about this car. So ladies and gentlemen, the Hyundai Stargazer X. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Here we go! Okay, so for your interior guys, here you go, your steering wheel. Actually feels very premium. Honestly, it has a very good amount of thickness into it. And you have your thumb rest over here. And then you have some stitching here over at the side. And then you have this 4-spoke wheels. So yeah, 4-spoke wheels. It's kind of unique actually. And I think that this really feels good when you're driving in this way. And then here on the left side of your controls, you have your voice command, your modes, and then your volume as well, answering and rejecting calls, and your favorites. And then at the right hand side, you have your controls for your driving features. Okay, you can see the cruise control. Actually, it's really nice. I know that a lot of you want this car because of the cruise control, so that's really good. And your also your safety features as well is there. You can find it there at the right hand side. So one thing that I noticed about the Stargazer X guys is the controls here are actually unique. Here at the left and over at the right, actually it's different from the other brands where you really are turning fully these controls, but here you just have these levels where you can control them. And then same with your left hand side controls, you don't turn them anymore, you just actually put them according to the function that you want. For your window controls, everything is power windows, and you have your driver's side to be automatic. Then you have your lock and unlock, and then you have also the button for your power folding side mirrors. Okay, and then here you can adjust your tilt for your side mirrors. So you can see there are stitchings as well here. I can say that these are plastic materials, but I think, you know, they have put a very good material in here. Feels premium. And then you have a chrome door handle, and then at this side it looks like a leather, but it isn't a leather material. It's actually just plastic, but solid. I can say these are solid. As you can see on the other side, it looks similar to other 7-seaters out there. Okay, but yeah, these are just plastic materials. And then you have a plastic material here for your controls, but here at the side you have a soft material. I think this is maybe synthetic leather, but yeah, it doesn't feel really like a plastic feeling, so that's really good. It's comfortable. Then you have some space here for whatever you need to put your phone or your coins. Then at this side you have your bottle holders. Okay, so for your sun visors guys, here you don't have mirrors. Here you have mirrors only, no light, no vanity lights. And then you have here your dome lights as well. Okay, you have your controls here for your dome lights, your rear view mirrors, and then finally here on your infotainment display. It's really nice looking, guys, with a piano black accents. Looks very premium. I like it. Of course, there's gonna be a fingerprint magnet, but I really don't mind. I really like the look of the chrome or the glossy black here. And then that's gonna be all the way to your instrument cluster. All right, the materials used here is actually textured. Okay, and then on this side it's still hard plastic, guys, but there's like a stitching just for the aesthetics, you can say. So any phone holders, I think, will just stick here. That's really also the advantage. All right, then for your, again, let's go back to your infotainment system. There you go, there's your functionalities, that's your controls. Okay, all right, and then for your aircon vents, you have it here. You have this chrome or silver color accent all the way from this side to that side of your aircon vents. It's unique, actually. The aircon vents are also unique. Nice. And then you have your hazard button, and here, that's something that I like. Something that most cars don't have is the compartment here, space for whatever you want to put. I think you just can put coins here and maybe small phones, or maybe not. I don't think you can put really phones here, but yeah, that's really a good space to have for whatever you need. Then for your glove compartment, guys, it just actually falls very quickly, but you know, it's okay. You have very deep, actually very deep glove compartment. Then let's continue here for your aircon controls. Actually, let me start with this push start button. All right, that's really good to have. So you have your multi-directional controls for your aircon. There you go, temperature. And then you have space here. Actually, really very great space, guys, all the way there. Wow, I'm just really in love with the space here in the interior. And then you have here your space, another space, guys, for whatever you need to put. And then some USB slots. Then you have your shift stick here for your driving mode and your stability control. Then your parking sensor you can also disable, which is nice. Then you have your bottle holders. Then you have your electronic parking brakes with auto hold, which is really convenient for traffic. For your armrest, okay, it's quite deep. It's really good enough space. Still silver or chrome accents for your door handle. Cup holder, very large. Okay, control for your windows, large space here. Still hard plastic, but soft quality material here. Then you have more cup holders. So this is actually my normal driving position, and I can say you have a very enormous amount of space here at the second row. As you can see, my knees barely touch anything. They can really relax. Of course, with the headspace, I think this is really large, actually. So a great amount here on the second row. Then what I love about the second row as well is you have your tray here, just in case you wanted to have some food trip with your family, and you have your pockets as well. It's really nice. Then what I also like is this leather material here for your second row armrest. Very nice. And the great thing about the second row as well, guys, is you have your charging points. Everybody has a phone nowadays, so you have two of them, USB-A ports, and a space where you can place your phone. Then you can also see the red stitchings here for your seats. Okay, so now let's go to your third row seats. So here at your third row, guys, I'm very impressed with the amount of space that I have as a third row passenger. As you can see, the headspace here as a 5'9" person, it's really good. The headroom is really good. In terms with leg space, from the second row, there's actually a good amount of space from the second row. So as you can see, Still have a lot of space, around 4 fingers. Alright. So yeah, I can say as a third row passenger, I like what I'm seeing as well. The interior looks nice. And if you're ever wondering if it can be reclined, yes, you can recline the third row using this strip right here. Okay, all right. So there you go. I can relax. Actually, I can relax fully here at the third row, just in case you don't have any things that are bulging here at your compartment space. I can say that you can fully relax here at the third row of the Stargazer. So for your bells and whistles, you have your bottle holder, and then you have some space here for whatever you need to put. Okay, let's see if there is also on the other side. Yes, you do have the same thing on the other side. So that's really nice. So in terms of your aircon vents, you have it there. That's, I'm sure, gonna be very good in terms of air conditioning and ventilation of the air up to this third row. I can say that it's really gonna be good enough. And lastly, for your space here at the back, I can say that it's also large enough. Okay, you can put a lot of things in there for your family outing, which is really impressive actually. Okay, so what do you think about the Hyundai Stargazer X, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. I've enjoyed really reviewing this car. This has a lot of features into it. You'll be bringing your family. It's gonna be great for daily usage with all the features. Everything that I want is actually in it except the 360 camera. But yeah, overall for me, I think that this is really a good family car. So let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. This has been Ronnie with Project Gentleman, reminding you that when we seek God first, that is when we truly win in life. Thank you for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Ciao.